Hello everyone, myself Kavita Alde. Today we'll see the diesel electric power plant. So first we'll see why the diesel is used as a fuel in case of the power plant. So it having the different many advantages, like it having the high energy density than gasoline, which is normally used. It is heavier and oilier than gasoline. Then it having the boiling point, it is higher than that of the water, so that it can be easily or it can be earlierly burned. So it having the less fuel consumption, so that the less source of fuel is required. The diesel engine, it is the more popular due to its higher efficiency. It having the efficiency is high. Then the cost is less, it is very cost effective. Then due to the chemical structure of the diesel, it release the more energy as per day as compared to the other source of energy. Okay, so these are some advantages, these are the positive points of the diesel, so that the diesel can be used as a fuel in case of the power plant. So we'll see what exactly the energy conversion process in case of the diesel power plant, or what exactly the energy is converted into the electrical energy in case of this plant. So it consists of the main component like diesel engine. So you can see here the diesel engine is the main component. The diesel is inserted into it. Diesel is mainly working as to convert the mechanical energy, as to generate the mechanical energy. In this diesel, the fuel, that is the diesel, is burned in presence of the air, and the diesel engine will get start and it will produce the mechanical energy. So as this diesel engine and the generator are connected on the same shaft, the mechanical energy is transferred to the generator, where the generator will convert this mechanical energy to the electrical energy. So this is how the simple energy conversion process in case of the diesel engine power plant. So now we'll see, this is the exact schematic diagram of diesel power plant. It consists of the number of circuits. It consists of the main circuit like diesel circuit. Then this is the fuel circuit, where fuel is inserted or injected into the engine. Then this is the air circuit, where air is entered into the diesel engine. Then this is the starting circuit, where the starting is in presence of the compressor. Then this is the cooling tower, cooling circuit. Then generator is there, is connected to the same shaft to the diesel engine. Then this is the exhaust system is there. Then this is the lubrication system. So whole this schematic system, it can be explained by some simple circuit. So it having the elements of the system, number of, or you can say different circuits. So these are some different circuits of that whole diesel engine power plant, that is engine system, starting system, lubrication system, fuel system, then air filter, then and supercharge system, then cooling system, exhaust system, and governing system. Now we'll see what exactly the working of the diesel power plant using this, by breaking the whole this schematic diagram into different circuits. So we'll see one by one. So first one is engine system. It consists of the diesel engine, which is the main part of the engine, where the fuel is entered and fuel is burned in case or in presence of the air, and it will ultimately result in starting of the engine, where engine will produce the mechanical energy and give it into the generator to generate or to convert it into the electrical energy. So this is how the engine system is there. The next one is fuel supply system. As the diesel is used as a fuel in case of the diesel engine system, So it consists of the main fuel tank, or you can say it is the storage tank. Then the fuel is given to this all-day tank. It is the small storage tank where the energy or where the diesel is taking out from this storage tank is interval basis or all day basis, Okay, so small amount of fuel is taking into this all day tank by using this storage tank, where the fuel is entered, pass through the filter or strainer, you can say, where the impurities are filtered, and then it is given to the all day tank. Then there is also return pipe is there. In case of the overflow is happen in this diesel in this day tank, then the overflow oil is will get again returned to this fuel tank. Then after fuel is coming into this day tank, the fuel is given to the diesel engine. Before it given to the engine, it will get filtered, and then where the impurities of the oil, it will get separate out and pure oil is given to the engine. Okay, so this is how the fuel supply system is there. Then air intake system and starting system. So this upper one is air filter and air. This is the air intake system, where a diesel engine is taking out the air for combustion of the fuel. That is, the combustion of the fuel, that is the diesel oil, is happened into the diesel engine in presence of the air. So the air is taken out from this air intake system. Before the air is taken, it will get filtered so that some impurities are separate out and pure air and is given to the diesel engine. So this is how the starting system of the diesel power plant. Then next one is, this is how the air intake system. Then next one is starting system. So this is the starting system, where the diesel engine is not sometimes self-starting, as in large capacity plant, diesel is not self-starting. The only small capacity, the diesel engine can be start by using the handle, but in case of the large unit, it will require this starting system. So it consists of the air compressor, where the natural air is taken into the compressor, where the compressor will convert this natural air to the pressurized air. Then it is given to the tank, and then again it is given to this engine to start the engine. So this is how the starting system of the diesel engine, where the diesel engine can be started by using the compressor, where the compressor will take the natural air and pressurize it, where the temperature and pressure of the air is increased, and this pressurized air is given to the diesel engine. By using this, the diesel engine will get start. Okay. So next one is lubrication and cooling system. So this is how the lubrication and cooling system is there. So as the many mechanical work is done in case of this diesel engine, so there may be the possibility of friction and corrosion of the parts of the diesel engine, so that part should be get oiled. So oiling is required for that part. So for this purpose, this lubrication system is used. So some oils are used as a lubricants. It will be naturally, it will be passes through this pump to the part of the system, part of the diesel engine, and the oiling is done. And if the oil is get heated, then it will be given to this cooler. So before passing this lubricant to the diesel engine, it will get cooled here in the oil cooler. Then again oil cool lubricant is given to this diesel engine. Then the remaining oil is recirculated through this lubrication tank. So this is how the lubrication system is worked. Then by the normal working of this diesel engine, it will get heated. The number of parts of this diesel engine, it will get heated, so that part should be the temperature of that part should be reduced, that part should be cooled. So for that, this cooling system is work. So cooling tower is there. It consists of the cooling tower, then some water tank, then filter, then this heat exchanger. The hot the oil which is taking out from this cooling tower, and cooling tower is connected to the natural source of the water. So it will taking the water from the natural source, then that water is given to the heat exchanger, to this water pump, and then it is given to the engine. It is circulated through the number of parts of this engine, where cooling jackets are connected to the engine. Then as this water is circulated through this diesel engine, it will get hot, then it will get again returned to this heat exchanger, where the temperature of that water, it will get changed, and it will again recirculated through the cooling tower, so that this cooling system is work to reduce the temperature of the heated part of the system. So this is how the lubrication and cooling system is there. The next one is exhaust system. As the normal working of this diesel engine, some exhaust gases are produced, and also the operation of this diesel engine is very noisy, so that the noise, it should be reduced by using these silencers. The silencer is placed to the exhaust system to reduce the noisy operation or noise which is exhaust from the diesel engine. So this is how the exhaust gases are exhausted to the open atmosphere, and to reduce the noisy operation, the silencer is used. So this is how the exhaust system is there. Then there are some advantages and disadvantages of diesel power plant. So these are some advantages, as it having the number of equipments are less. So the simple design is there, layout is also different, layout is also simple is there. Then it occupies the less space, then compact in size, then it can be easily started, quickly started, then it can be pick up the load in very short time. Also it requires the very small amount, or you can say less amount of water for cooling purpose. Then the thermal efficiency of this plant, it also high, or it also better than the other plant or steam power plant, you can say. So as in case of the steam power plant, ash is producing there. So in this case, in this diesel power plant system, no ash handling system is there, no ash is produced, no problem of ash is there. Then as once it will get started, so there is no requirement of supervising again the work of this system. So these are some advantages of system. Now there are some disadvantages of the system. It having the running cost high, because the price of the diesel is quite costly, so that the running charges of this plant, it may be high. Then it produces the small amount of power, it will be produced the very small capacity. Then also its capacity of this plant, it also restricted. Then it produces the noise, the noising problem is there. Then maintenance, as many number of mechanical movements are there in this diesel engine, so the equipment, it should be maintained, so maintenance charges are high. Then it cannot be constructed in very big size. Most small size it can be constructed. This plant, it cannot be constructed in very small size. So these are the some advantages and disadvantages of the diesel power plant. Then we'll see where the applications of these plants are there, that is where the diesel power plant is used. So diesel power plant, it can be used as a peak load plant, where it can be used in combination with hydropower plant and thermal power plant, where the peak demand is there. Then it can be used as a emergency plant. Emergency plant means where the power supply is cut, then it can be used as a emergency and temporary purpose. Then it can be used as a standby power plant. Standby means it can be used as a backup power plant, where the main power plant it will get fails to operate, so diesel power plant it can be used as a backup plant. Then it can be used as a mobile plant. Mobile plant means it can be used as a temporary and emergency purpose, where the civil work is there. In civil work, then you can say industry work, it can be used as a emergency purpose. Then nursery station means it can be used as a in combination with hydropower plant, where the large plant it cannot be reached to small areas of the town, so that the diesel plant is used to provide the energy to that area where the large plant cannot be reached. So it can be used as a nursery power station. Then starting station means sometimes the large station like hydropower plant and thermal power plant cannot be start easily. So to start this plant, the diesel plant is used as a starting station. Then it can be used as a central station. Central station means where the energy capacity required is less, that is 5 to 10 megawatt. Like for example, in case of the cinema hall, hospitals, then some of the municipalities can be used as a central station. So this is how the applications of the diesel plant, where the diesel plant can be used. So thus we have seen how the diesel plant is work, then some different circuits of the diesel plant, then the advantages, disadvantages and applications of the diesel power plant. So this is how we have seen the diesel power plant. To watch some more videos like this, you will do like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.